Hello and welcome. In this video we are discussing about prompt engineering. What is generative AI? So in this chapter we will dive into the world of generative AI and its role in prompt engineering. So generative AI refers to a class of artificial intelligence techniques that focus on creating data such as images, text or audio rather than processing existing data. So we will explore how generative AI models, particularly generative language models, play a crucial role in prompt engineering and how they can be fine-tuned for various NLP tasks. So generative language models. So generative language models such as GPT-3 and other variants have gained immense popularity due to their ability to generate coherent and contextually relevant text. So generative language models can be used for a wide range of tasks, including text generation, translation, summarization and more. And they serve as a foundation for prompt engineering by providing contextually aware responses to custom prompts. So fine-tuning generative language models. So fine-tuning is the process of adapting a pre-trained language model to a specific task or domain using task-specific data. Prompt engineers can fine-tune generative language models with domain-specific datasets, creating prompt-based language models that excel in specific tasks. So customizing model responses. Custom prompt engineering. So prompt engineers have the flexibility to customize model responses through the use of tailored prompts and instructions. So role of generative AI. So generative AI models allow for more dynamic and interactive interactions, where model responses can be modified by incorporating user instructions and constraints in the prompts. Creative writing and storytelling. So creative writing applications. So generative AI models are widely used in creative writing tasks such as generating poetry, short stories and even interactive storytelling experiences. Co-creation with users. So by involving users in the writing process through interactive prompts, generative AI can facilitate co-creation, allowing users to collaborate with the model in storytelling endeavors. Language translation. So multilingual prompting. So generative language models can be fine-tuned for multilingual translation tasks, enabling prompt engineers to build prompt-based translation systems. Real-time translation. So interactive translation prompts allow users to obtain instant translation responses from the model, making it a valuable tool for multilingual communication. Multimodal prompting. Integrating different modalities. So generative AI models can be extended to multimodal prompts, where users can combine text, images, audio and other formats of input to elicit responses from the model. So enhanced contextual understanding. So multimodal prompts enable generative AI models to provide more comprehensive and contextually aware responses, enhancing the user experience. So ethical considerations. So responsible use of generative AI. So as with any AI technology, prompt engineers must consider ethical implications, potential biases, and the responsible use of generative AI models. So addressing potential risks. So prompt engineers should be vigilant in monitoring and mitigating risk associated with the content generation and ensure that the models are deployed responsibly. Future directions, continual advancements. So generative AI is an active area of research, and prompt engineers can accept continuous advancements in model architectures and training techniques. Integration with other AI technologies. So the integration of generative AI with other AI technologies such as reinforcement learning and multimodal fusion holds promise for even more sophisticated prompt-based language models. So conclusion, in this chapter we explored the role of generative AI in prompt engineering and how generative language models serve as a powerful foundation for contextually aware responses. So by fine-tuning generative language models and customizing model responses through tailored prompts, prompt engineers can create interactive and dynamic language models for various applications. So from creative writing and language translation to multimodal interactions, generative AI plays a significant role in enhancing user experiences and enabling co-creation between users and language models. So as prompt engineering continues to evolve, generative AI will undoubtedly play a central role in shaping the future of human-computer interactions and NLP applications. So this was a brief discussion on prompt engineering, and we will be discussing more on prompt engineering and generative AI in the upcoming videos. And if you are the first time here, subscribe to the channel by clicking the subscribe button to see the latest technology videos. Thank you for watching this video. Bye for now.